The Jersey Devil. Is it just a creepy campfire tale? Or could there be something real lurking in those dark woods? Hello, my lovely friends, and welcome back to another Freaky Friday here at Allegedly Strange Tales. Today, we're diving into a chilling legend that has haunted the Pine Barrens of New Jersey for centuries, the infamous Jersey Devil. This story goes way back to the 1700s when a woman named Mother Leeds allegedly cursed her 13th child out of frustration. According to legend, when the baby was born, it transformed into a monstrous creature with wings, horns, and a forked tail, then flew up the chimney and disappeared into the woods. Creepy, right? Over the years, people have reported hearing strange screams in the night, spotting weird hoof prints, and even seeing a winged creature flying overhead. Some just think it's a scary story to keep kids out of the woods. Others believe it's something supernatural or maybe even interdimensional. All right, my friends, you know how we do this. So we're going to investigate this together. And as always, I'm going to use my Starman Tarot. Uh, I'll probably change it once in a while, but it works for me right now. So we're going to investigate this. And anyway, I'm so glad you're here so I don't have to do this alone. I just know that you're here with me and you're holding my hand. Because some of these stories get really creepy, and I think about it at night or something. I'm like, cover up my head when I go to bed. So, we are talking about the Jersey Devil in Pine Barrens, New Jersey. So, is this a true story? It's creepy. And I mean, they did say that uh, maybe people have told their kids that just keep the kids out of the woods. I'm telling you, there's my Starman Tarot. I'll put that over there, my little card. So, I'm telling you, I was grown. I was a grown woman, and would hear some of those creepy stories and stuff. And we'd go camping, and I'd be scared. I'd make my sister come, even though we were grown. Make her come with me if I had to go into the woods or something. So we're going to ask about the Jersey Devil. So, did this Jersey Devil legend start from a real event, please? Did it start from a real event? And we're going to we have 6 cards here. And let me make sure that you can see all of these. Hang on. Okay, great. So we have 6 cards here. So, number 1, did the Jersey Devil legend start from a real event, please? Whoa, that's the 7 of Cups upright. And I wonder if there were several events. Maybe there's several different stories about it, because like the 7 of Cups is making choices. You've got all of these different choices, and some of them are evil. Look, not good for you. Like there's a dragon there, and I think there's a snake somewhere. But did it come from different events? I would say, yeah, there might be various versions of the story. Real events. Sorry, did it come from a real event? Well, that's upright too. So there could be parts of the story might be true, or there are some evil people in this world. So is the Jersey Devil a real creature? Is the Jersey Devil? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Look at that Ace of Wands. And that is fiery too. Okay, guys, I'm kind of creeped out. That's creative. It could be a story, but that I asked if it's a real creature, and usually aces are yes when they're upright. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, is this Jersey Devil linked to something supernatural? Is it linked to something? Whoa. You know what? I just got that is the Prince of Swords. And look at that. Look at that, guys. That doesn't look he's injured and stuff. This is like going to battle and stuff. Well, actually, the Prince of Swords is usually on a white horse and going in charge full steam ahead. It's usually quick energy, and as you can see, this crow and stuff. Um, I mean, look at that bloody sword and everything. Um, I just asked, is it linked to something supernatural? I mean, he looks undead, doesn't he? He looks like a zombie or something. You know what? I just wonder, I mean, because it, so that looks like a zombie, like the Walking Dead or something. And this guy, I would say, like sacrifice himself or something. So, oh my goodness, that just I just wondered about I just had this thought about was it just a baby that could have been and they could have, you know, done something terrible. This is allegedly, of course. This is only a story that we're covering, but that thought just came to mind. It's not very nice. Have people seen that Jersey Devil? Have people actually seen it? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Now, this is a card of um, like planting your seeds and waiting for them to grow and waiting for the harvest. But in reverse, it dies on the vine. The what you planted. Sorry, the seeds you planted. They don't come to fruition. So maybe it says had people seen it, but I'm not saying that they didn't see something, but probably could be coming back to the story, because to me the Ace of Wands is the story, creating the story. So is there something strange in Pine Barrens, like a weird creature or whatever? Is there something strange in Pine Barrens? The high priestess in reverse. Now that is secrets usually, and it's also intuition. Um, but in reverse, uh, if if it is, I mean that secret won't ever be like disclosed. That's what I'm thinking. I had this other question, like, is Pine Barrens, New Jersey, a portal? Is Pine Barrens, New Jersey, a portal? The King of Wands in reverse. Now, so that could be not very nice energy there. And you know what else I was thinking? I was wondering about is do people go there and do rituals or something? Um, we could ask that if you do people use pine barrens to do rituals and um do they oh my goodness, the temperance card upright. You know what, guys? I would say they do. That is a major arcana, and this is, I mean, that is like uh, alchemy. Oh my gosh. I would say they do. Look at that card. So, okay. Wow. Let's let's get a little bit more clarity. And I am going to ask Esme, my beautiful pendulum. And let's see. I have some questions here. So, okay, let's just ask this. Was the Jersey Devil ever a human child, please? Was the Jersey Devil ever, let's see if I can do this. Okay. Was the Jersey Devil ever a human child, please? I Well, that is going to yes, guys. You you know that Knight of Swords that I was talking about? That's what I was wondering. Oh my goodness. Has the Jersey Devil ever harmed anyone? Has the Jersey Devil ever harmed anyone, please? Has it ever harmed anyone? That's going to no. Okay. Are the sightings legitimate of the Jersey Devil? Now, I didn't find that in the cards, but we'll ask Esme. Are the sightings legitimate? And okay, that is no. So, but is the Jersey Devil actually a spirit? Is the Jersey Devil actually a spirit? Oh my goodness. Yes. Is it demonic? Is it a demonic energy? I mean, it said there's actually no signs or sightings, but well, that's saying yes. Is it from another dimension? Is it from another dimension? Okay, that's looking like yes. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you enjoyed today's Freaky Friday, please share with someone who loves spooky mysteries. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As always, thank you for hanging out with me. And remember to stay curious, stay strange, and I will see you on the next one.